Assalamualaikum everyone. So here we are going to start our 7th class of verbal intelligence test, and the question we are having with us are wait a second. Alright, the first question we are having with us is, we have done a lot of questions like this before. 50% of 90 is 25, 35, 45, 55, and the answer is 45. And I have told you how do we have to do these type of questions. First of all, if you want to find any type of percentage of any number, you have to simply divide that percentage by 100, and then you have to multiply the answer by 90, or like for example any number whom percentage is asked. For this question, first we will be dividing it. First of all, we will be dividing it by 100. 50 will be divided by 100, and then the answer would be multiplied by 90. 0.5 would be multiplied by 90 here, and then you will get the answer of the question, that is 45%. Okay. The next question is 25% of 90 is again the same method we are going to use. First answer is 11.5, 22.5, 33.5 and 44.5, and answer is 22.5. How? See here, now we are asked to find the 25% of this number. Okay? Simply we are going to do first 25 by 100, and we are going to multiply it by 90. Okay? So by doing so, we will be getting the answer, that is 22.5. You can do it by yourself. Here is the question. You have to make the calculations by yourself. Simply 3 steps. First, you can say break this percentage mark. That is going to be done by dividing it 100, and it would become 22. When you divide it, it would become 0.25, and then you have to multiply it with this number. Okay, next is 10% of 90 is, again follow the same step, and the answer would be 9, because you are going to multiply 10 by 100 that will give you 0.9, and when you will multiply 0.1, and when you multiply 0.1 by 90, it would give the 9. Next question is 10% of 7 is 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.4, and the question's answer is 0.7. Again, simple trick. 100 divided by 100, which will give you 0.7 or 0.1, and multiply it by the number given by 7, and that will give you the 0.7. Okay? Next is 5% of 50 is, again do the simple steps, and you will find out the answer. First divide it by 100, and then multiply it 100, multiply it with this 50 number, and you have to make the calculations actually by yourself, and this is how it's gonna be done. Okay? Next is 5% of 8 is, it's all related to the percentage questions. First, okay, let me clearly tell you again. First step is going to be breaking this percentage. So percentage number would be divided by 100. Here I'm just writing the percentage number would be divided by 100, and then second step is we're gonna multiply that percentage here, this answer with the number provided. Like here it's gonna be 8, so we will be multiplying by 8, and simple trick, we will be getting the answer 0.5 or 0.4. Next is 2% of 60 is 1.2, 1.3, and here are the options, and this is the way. If you want to find the 2% of 60, simply divide 2 by 100 and then multiply it by 60, and you will get the simple answer, that would be 1.2. Next is 25% of 100 is 20, 25, 30, 40, and here is the answer. 25% of 100, first of all 25 would be divided by 100, and then we will be multiplying 25 by 100, the answer of 25 by 100 with this number, that is 100, so it would give us again 25, because yeah, you should be knowing 25. 100's fourth part is 25. 3% of 100 is, do simply first of all pause this video and make your own calculations on this video. That 3%, how do we gonna do it? By 100, divide it by 100 quick, and then multiply it again by 100, and you will get the answer, that is gonna be 3. 4% of 50, quick, do it by yourself. Yeah, so here we are going to do 4%, 4 divided by 100, and then multiply it by 50, which will give you the answer of 2.
So that's all for today's class. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and stay connected.